Hello, welcome back again to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the stainless steel rub rail inserts, black side paint with the white bottom, spacious bimini top, and equipped with the standard 150 Mercury, which can be upgraded to a 200, but the 150 pushes the boat just fine. As you walk aboard, you can see a spacious swim platform with the walk-through, a tow bar for pulling skiers or tubers, have a spacious walk-through and sun pad. This boat is equipped with beautiful white interior, upgraded stereo system, standard bucket seats, and standard on this boat, it comes with the twin gauges, and you can get the upgraded Simrad. It's rated, seating capacity is 12, and as you can see, it's very spacious bow. We walk through the front, and for a detailed viewing of this Sea Ray or any of our other Sea Rays, come and see me, Dwayne Diggs, at MarineMax Gulf Shores.